This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade popsicles, only way. Combine lemon juice and sugar in a bowl, stirring until clear and smooth. Add cold water, then taste and tweak sweetness. Chill the mixture briefly so it is cool but pourable. Prepare molds and popsicle sticks while the liquid cools, so you move quickly and avoid slushy layers later. In this video, I will show how to make lemonade popsicles, only way. Try simple variations like lemon zest, pureed berries, or a touch of honey to transform the base recipe. Combine flavors gently so swirls form when poured into molds, creating pretty layers. Taste small batches to balance sweetness with tartness before freezing. These tweaks make each popsicle feel homemade and memorable for kids. In this video, I will show how to make lemonade popsicles, only way. Pour mixture into molds, leaving a small headspace for expansion, then insert sticks. Freeze upright on a flat surface for at least 6 hours or until solid through the center. To remove, run the mold under warm water for a few seconds and gently pull the stick. Store finished popsicles in a sealed bag to prevent freezer burn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.